Hey guys, it's Rahul again, and today this is my tutorial on how to solve this cube. So this is a pretty confusing cube. First of all, when you get it, it's very confusing how to turn, and then you'll always think that the corners turn because it's shaped like that, but the reality is that it turns like this. It's pretty weird, but this cube is one of the simplest cubes to solve that I know of, except for the 1x1. So basically you can visualize this as a 3x3. So the steps are, we're going to be placing the corners, the white side, then we're going to be that can be visualized as the first layer. Then we're going to be positioning the centers, because you can see that it's all scrambled up. That can be counted as the second layer. Then we place and orient the yellow corners. That will be like the third layer. So to begin with, we're going to solve the white side, so we keep that at the bottom. Now we see in this top layer we have white corners all over, except for this, which is in the bottom. So what we do is, we can see that none of the corners are here, so we just bring one random corner down like this to match up. So now this is white, orange and green. So you need to get either a white and orange corner here or a white and green corner here. This color doesn't matter, the third color doesn't matter. It's supposed to have either these two or these two. So we search, we can see that we have the white, green and red. Okay, so this means the green needs to come here, but when we do this, the white is not facing at the bottom and the green is not matched up. Let me bring it closer. So now when the white is on top, you turn this twice. Alright, so now you've turned it twice, so now it's like this, it's no more on the top. So now, but when you do this, it's still not getting matched up. So what you do, you kick this piece out. Suppose this was a white piece, so you would kick it out and keep it safe here. Now the white is on the left, so when you bring it down, it gets matched up, and you can bring this back, but this is not a white piece, so it's not necessary to bring it back. So basically you have to do that for positioning the corners. Next you have the white, orange and blue. So now you do this, it's not matched up, so it means that if the white was on the left, if you bring it down, it'll be here. So again, this is matched up, so you kick it out, you keep it safe here. White is on the left, you bring it down, it's matched up, and then you bring this down and it's matched. And the last piece is already like that, so you bring it down and it's all matched up. So this is basically a one algorithm method, and the one algorithm which will be used in positioning the centers and the last layer. So the first layer was pretty easy. I've showed you all the cases. You just need to turn it like that, and just turn it twice like that and stuff. I will be having another walkthrough solve at the end of the video. So now once we have this, we keep it at the bottom. Now we need to position the centers. Now how do we do that? Now you know that white's opposite is yellow, but yellow is not on the top. That's what we want. So this is green, and we need to match it up with the green corners here. So we keep that face in front, and now we perform the only algorithm required. This is R and this is L, and that's LIN. Alright, whatever. So now we do R, L, R, I, L, R, L, I. So that brings up, so it's R, R, I, L, R, L, I. Right? I don't remember the algorithm, but it's that. So now we have red on top, so now we bring it down. So what this move is doing, it's switching these two and these two. So now we need to bring red, so R-I, L, R, L-I. So we have this matched up, but this gets scrambled, so we just have to do it. Now you see that the yellow is on top, and it's already in the place where it has to be. What do we do now is we keep the solved center at the back, and we switch. Now we do the algorithm which will switch these two and bring the blue on top. So we do that, R-I, L, R, L-I. So now the blue is on top, and we have these two solved. That doesn't matter. So now we bring this, we have to bring this here, so we do that algorithm, R-I, L, R L I. We do that, and now we have to switch the orange, R I L R L I, and the last one, the red. So we'll switch these two, and it'll be solved. So R I L R L I. So now we have the centers position. Now we move on to the last layer. So we have two cases in the last layer. So if you get this case, since I have this case, I can show you both the cases. So now we have this case where two opposites are solved. What do we do now is that we have two corners, one on which yellow is facing to the right and one on which it's facing you. So we want to take the one which is facing on the right, and then we do the same algorithm 4 times. R I L R L I, R I L R L I, which brings us to the second case where none of the corners are solved. Now you have this case where two of them are on the same face, one with right face, top right corner, and one on the top left corner, both facing you. So we want to take this one, the one in the top right corner facing you. So now we do the same algorithm 4 times, which will solve this cube. R I L R L I, R I L R L I, and there you have the solved cube. So I'm gonna have a walkthrough solve. Let me just give it this a jumble. Yeah, it's going to take some time to jumble. Yeah, so now it's done. So now we solve the white. So we have one corner solved, so we need either white red or white blue. We have white blue here. We do this, it gets matched up. Now we need a white red. White red is here, it needs to come here, but it won't match up since it's on the top. So we turn it twice, we kick this out, keep it safe here, we bring this down, and we bring this down to match it up. And the last one is here, which comes here, but it doesn't match up. So this time we kick this out, bring this down, and bring this to back. So now we have that. Now we go into position in the centers, orange here. So R I L R L I. It's yellow on top, so we have all the centers incidentally solved. This is the case. Again, we have no corner solved, so we take this, the one in the top right corner facing you, R I L R L I, R I L R L I, and you have the solved cube. So if you have two opposite corners solved, you keep the one which has yellow in the top right corner facing to the right. You do that algorithm 4 times, you get none of the corners solved, and you just do what I did. So that's it for this cube. It's a very simple cube to solve. And yeah, I know I keep saying that in most of my videos, but yeah, this is very simple. So there you go, that's it for this video. You can like the video and subscribe to my channel called The Cube Freak. You can type it up in the space bar in YouTube, or you can just click The Cube Freak down below my video title. And you can also give suggestions and comments in the comment box below. So thanks for watching, and keep